In Huzhou, China, set against a natural hillside, the VISAYA Hotel stands out in its striking, all-white design. Created by ATDESIGN, this unique hotel harmonizes with the surrounding landscape, bringing a feeling of purity and tranquility. The journey to VISAYA is ceremonial. Guests ascend a stepped walkway to enter through a minimalist box, a simple yet powerful welcome to this peaceful retreat. With expansive glass windows opening onto the hillside, VISAYA blurs the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. It invites guests to experience nature at every turn, to take in the scenery from inside, feeling truly part of the landscape itself. The hotel offers a serene experience through modern design. The infinity pool faces a sweeping mountain view, its waters reflecting the sky and surroundings. Divided into zones, this pool space adapts to different guest needs, making it a central element of VISAYA's design. On a sunny day, the sparkling water and gentle breeze create a scene of quiet beauty. Beyond the pool lies an underground wine cellar. With its brick walls and cavernous layout, this unique space is home to a collection of rare wines, adding a sense of elegance and depth to the guest experience. On the first floor, the design flows freely between indoor and outdoor areas, with a living room that connects directly to both the pool and the bonfire rest area. The layout divides spaces like the reception desk, bar, sofa area, and multimedia lounge into active and relaxed zones, allowing for both privacy and openness. At night, guests can enjoy the outdoor campfire area with a hot spring pool close by, the perfect way to unwind, whether in the warmth of the hot springs or around the fire. VISAYA's 7 guest rooms each offer a unique, private retreat. For a fresh experience, the first-floor rooms provide direct pool access, connecting the indoors to the outside with a private courtyard and hot spring pool. Here, each room becomes a personal haven, where guests can enjoy the natural beauty surrounding them. The second floor's loft-style rooms offer guests the luxury of stargazing at night. For a touch of playfulness, a built-in slide allows guests to embrace a sense of freedom and fun, perfect for balancing relaxation with moments of joy. With glass corners and unobstructed views, each room brings natural light into every corner, minimizing the separation between guests and the landscape. The bed and bath are positioned steps from the windows, making nature a constant presence. The basement level houses a dining room, meeting area, and kitchen with large windows bringing in the soft light, creating an open, inviting atmosphere that connects this level to the natural surroundings. VISAYA Hotel offers more than a stay, it's an experience of tranquility and elegance, a place where modern design meets the serenity of nature. Here, life slows down, and guests find themselves immersed in the beauty of simplicity, balance, and freedom.